How to select visual effects settings that adjust Windows 11 for best performance. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, click on System, which is the first option beside Devices. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On your left side, scroll all the way down, click on About. On right side, you will find Advanced System Settings. Below, System Protection, and above, rename this PC. Click on Advanced System Settings, then press on Yes. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Performance, you'll find Settings. Click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure your dot is in Adjust for Best Appearance. Or if you want performance, simply click on Adjust for Best Performance and you're good to go. This is how to select visual effects settings that adjust Windows 11 for best performance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.